hamburgers and cheeseburgers. Okay. Now it tells me that the total of those is 692. So right away I can tell you I'm going to write equals 692. So now I'm going to have to come up with some type of expression about these. The sentence says there were 58 fewer cheeseburgers sold than hamburgers. So which one of those are you going to have to know first? There were 58 fewer cheeseburgers than hamburgers. Which one do you have to start with, the cheeseburgers or the hamburgers?
Cheeseburgers.
You have to start with the hamburgers because you can't figure out the cheeseburgers unless you know the hamburgers because you're going to have to subtract the 58 from it, okay? So because of that, the X is the hamburgers. Because you got to start with the hamburgers to be able to figure out the cheeseburgers because you got to take 58 away from it. So now I know the cheeseburgers would be the hamburgers minus 58. Does that make sense? Or not really, but yeah, you're understanding? Okay, so I know that I have to add those together to get the total. So that's your equation. So if you solved it, you see that you got an X here and an X here. That's 2X minus 58 is equal to 692. And maybe you didn't get that one right. I'm trying to think now if you added the 58 or if you subtracted the 58. So that would give me 1415, 750. And so then I divide both sides by 2. And so X is going to be 375. So there were 375 hamburgers. Okay, because that's my X, right? And then my cheeseburgers would be 375 minus 58.